India from SK Imam. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Please bear a moment, guys. I'm so excited to share all the updates. Okay. Okay, let's start. And let's go first. If you are planning, number one, we have here is trend. So trend, is this aligned with the future or following the trend, not the crowd? Meaning, what is the trend right now? The trend right now, guys, is crypto and AI. That's why BOT Chain and Caripac, we got it all. So check it. Okay, so number one, check. Second is the company. Okay, so a lot of people join a certain opportunities and suddenly, okay, suddenly that company disappear, or suddenly it's like being have a problem with the SEC or regulated. Now the company, is the company trustworthy? Is the owner is a visionary? And is it built for long-term success? Because guys, there are a lot, remember, there are a lot of opportunities out there, but there are also a lot of scams right there. Now, Caripac, the good thing about Caripac and bot chain, this is built for long-term success. We are gonna be here, guys, for the next 20 plus years. All right. What is the products? So again, if you're gonna join, or if you're gonna look an opportunity, does the product solve a real problem and create real value? Now, what if our product could help people financially every single day? Is it good? Of course. Now, also check. So we are 3 out of 5. Now, I've been in the network business, guys, for the last 17 years. And also, I'm checking if the comp plan is fair, sustainable, and rewarding. What will I tell you will be blown, guys. You will be blown away. Why? Because the comp plan of Caripac is so unique and it's so sustainable that every single of us could earn like 300 to $30,000 every single day. So number 4 is check. And also, this is all fair, fair and just, meaning the people who work hard will be fairly compensated. And of course, this is also the last checklist, the education. So, does the company invest in your growth through education and leadership development? Now, Caripac did that for the last 4 months. The total cost they invested in each person who joined Caripac is a staggering almost $20 million. Guys, so this is the real deal. Now, if all 5 are checked, then it's a yes. If you are agreeing with me, please put number 1, because you are welcome now to enter this wonderful opportunity of 2026. All right. Now, also, now let's start with the who is the owner of Botchain and Caripac. Now, I'm so proud to share with you Mr. Johnson Zhao. He's the founder of Coinstore. All right, what happened? What happened? This meeting, okay? What happened? Only host can share this meeting. What happened? All right, Andrew, what happened? Gonna be technical problems also.
Logged in with another
Okay.
device. That's why. It's all good.
All right, all right. Now let's go to the okay, educator and also a builder. He's the founder of Coinstore Exchange, the founder of BOT Chain, and the founder of Caripac Supercomputing Protocol. He's based in Singapore. In the past 5 years, he has been dedicated to leading a healthy lifestyle through marathon and yoga. Wow. Also, as an early years an educator throughout the university and inspired generations through knowledge. And he's also an author of 14 books, guys. He believes in taking action, believes in consistency, showing up a proof of conviction, and he has transcended belief into the value of foundation. That's why, in his belief, guys, education is the most fundamental and important in our life. And also, you could also Google him, chat GPT him. You're going to be blown away about his credentials. Now, let's go to the first venture of Mr. Johnson Zhao. So CoinStore, this is the leading crypto asset exchange. So it's built to safe, transparent, innovative, and built for every trader. Now you could actually download it on the Google app or even search it like coinstore.com. This is over 6 years of operation. It has a 12 million users worldwide and a 300 million daily trading volume. USD, guys, USD, and also had a 12 financial license. It's including Switzerland, Dubai, okay, and a full compliance and regulation, ensuring safety and trust. Now, let's go to the company. What did he build? Okay, so Carrypack and Botchain. So this is baby, guys. BOT chain and the first flagship Carrypack. So the contents here is about the bot chain advantage, competitive advantages, the global consensus, Carrypack, the flagship ecosystem, and how could we earn this sustainable economic model. Now, why botchain is gonna change the cryptocurrency game? Because botchain has the world first AI agent native public blockchain. So it's a modular layer 1 blockchain specifically for large scale Web3 applications in the AI era. Now, for those who are wondering what is our goals, our strategic goals by the end of the year, this 2026, guys, we want to make 2,000 ecosystem or protocols. But our strategic goals by the end of 2027, we want to have a 10,000 protocol instances. And the medium term vision is 2028 to 2030. We want to expand that ecosystem to 30,000 project. Imagine, guys, 30,000 project using our BOT chain. And also, we want to have a dynamic scalability reaching 500,000 TPS. What is TPS? TPS stands for transaction per second. And a daily users exceeding 4 million annual transaction volume target, surpassing 800 billion US dollar. And of course, we have also want to have a 90% higher development efficiency for all the developers using our bot chain, okay, and also in the bringing the AI agents into the blockchain ecosystem. Now, guys, this is a BOT chain ecosystem weekly report. This is from August 8 to August 7. So as of that date, we have now a total of 716 pending projects, 158 live on mainnet, 145 in mainnet deployment, 61 ecosystem partners, and 352 projects in the pipeline. Can I get a solid yes? Okay. Why? Because we are doing the impossible in the crypto space, guys. Okay. Now, also, for those who are wondering, how could we create this wonderful ecosystem? Because this is also, we are also a bot chain capital consensus. So we have a 50 million US dollar. Remember, 50 million US dollar as strategic capital injection strong institutional support accelerating BOT chain for long-term growth in the public blockchain ecosystem. So meaning we could also co-create ecosystem. Now, Alfred, if you are wondering, okay, if you are gonna ask me, Alfred, so this is gonna be good. Yes. And who are believing in Johnson Zhao? Now, there are three huge companies. When BOT Chain started, this Nix Foundation is a core investment institution. It's based from Sweden. Alpha Capital, this is one of the leading venture capital firms in Turkey. Gemhead Capital, the Binance Alpha Core, of course, you know the Binance Alpha Core, they also believe in Johnson Zhao, giving 15 million USD capital seed round. Imagine that, guys. If this three huge company believes in Johnson Zhao vision, okay, meaning this is gonna be one of the best opportunity or big project of this 2026. Now, also you could actually search from the Binance Square. Binance Square is an article from Botchain launches mainnet for Web3 application. And this is a certified users, guys, okay? Now, also the coin store, you could actually check the coin store. We listed our BOT/USDT there. Now you could actually see the chart of BOT there. And also, oh my God, we have been listed now in CoinGecko. I think last 2 weeks ago. So right now you could actually see our cryptocurrency or public native token BOT in the CoinGecko. Now, what separate BOT from other public chain? So what is our secret sauce? Okay. So in order to perform a great public chain, it should have these 5 core infrastructure. Number 1, we have a core blockchain network or mainnet. This is the foundational infrastructure powering ecosystem operations and on-chain value flow. We are a public chain. We are not just some crypto coin out there, guys. Meaning they could actually go to Botchain and create their ecosystem because we are a mainnet. Second is the Explorer. So this is important for all the people and users of BOT chain. In the Explorer, we have an on-chain transparency layer. This is a real-time access to blockchain data, transaction records, and computing verification. Meaning you could actually see the in and out of BOT. Okay? Next is bridge. This is a cross-chain connectivity. Why? Why did we create a bridge? And why public chain, if they are new, must create this infrastructure? Because we are new. We are not yet listed on the major exchanges. So if you ask me, oh, Alfred, is that listed on the Coinbase? Is that listed on the Binance? Is that listed on OKX? The answer is not yet. But if you want to get your liquidity, meaning you want to get your USDT, also BOT chain created this bridge. This is to connect our assets liquidity and through ecosystem through seamless cross-chain infrastructure. Number 4 is the BO wallet. So we're gonna give an update when it's done, okay? This is a unified ecosystem gateway. This is a secure gateway for participation on staking rewards and computing application. And of course, now, if you want to buy BOT, if you want to believe or invest in BOT at the early stage, you could actually go to our BDEX to buy that BOT. So BDEX is a decentralized trading infrastructure enabling seamless asset exchange and efficient on-chain liquidity coordination. Now, guys, we have physical products also. It's called the mining machine. So BOT chain mine bot today. So every single day, limited daily mining is 8,000 BOT are released every single day. Now, if you are a believer of BOT chain and you see the credentials of Johnson Zhao, you want to buy BOT machine? Yes, you could actually buy it now. and mine your BOT every single day. Now, I think we have a good promotion about this. And so, if you want to mine BOT, please ask your upline how to buy it because it's sold out fast. Okay, guys, it's sold out fast. Now,
Yes, you can also purchase it from your account. So if you have an account, if you have a Curry Park account, you can go in, right? There is an amazing promotion, right? That all the mining machines will be 20% off, right? 20% off up to 21st of August. Okay, so we have a couple of days, right? So take the opportunity, right, to understand how it works and also possibly, right, get your very own mining machine.
all right. So guys, be fast. Okay, it's sold out fast. Now also in the economic model of that machine, so 75% goes to static reward distributed to all computing server and 25% dynamic rewards distributed to growth leaders according to the level based major differential mechanism. So these are three-tier sales units group clusters. So now we have a 20% off. So one unit costs 3,980 slash 20%. So if you want to be in the group, it's like an 18 server. It costs 69,300. But the best part is the cluster. So I think some of the people or the upline, okay, they are doing like group and cluster. So cluster is a 342,000 USDT. So this is a 90 servers equivalent to 5 groups. Okay. So that's one of the product of BOT chain and carry pack. Now let's go now to the technology highlights. So we have this 5 core infrastructure. Now I could like say it to you guys. I can guarantee you that bot chain is gonna be one of the best. But because of this technology highlights, I'm telling you that we could be the number one public blockchain. Why? Because we have this technology that a lot, 99% of public chain doesn't have. So what is that? Number one, we have the world first AI native EVM layer one blockchain. So we are now integrating our AI agents as of today to smart contracts and the EVM ecosystem to provide native blockchain infrastructure for the next generation intelligent application. Second is A to B layer 1 blockchain building thousands of ecosystem. So, as I said, we want to have a faster transaction. We want to have blocks made in seconds. How is that working? So, this A to B layer 1 or the supercomputing protocol is designed for enterprise level application scenarios, providing a high performance and a scalable underlying architecture to empower developers and enterprise to build the Web3 ecosystem. And of course, we had called this SPOA, High Performance Consensus Mechanism. So, innovatively combining POA and high decentralized mechanism to achieve high throughput out low latency secure and reliable network performance. And of course, the AI Launchpad innovation engine. So connecting AI projects, remember, developers and ecosystem, resources to accelerate the incubation of high quality AI application and drive the development of the intelligent economy era. Meaning, guys, if a developer goes to BOT chain, he want to finish his project. If he goes to another blockchain, that project will take around 6 to 7 months to finish. But in BOT chain, when he apply or do the project on BOT chain, in 1 hour, he could finish his project. So the developers right now are saving time, saving money, and saving workload for people. So that's why in less than 4 months, remember, we are just a new public chain. We have now a 700 plus ecosystem and protocols in our BOT chain. Okay. Now, also, what did we achieve? In less than 4 months, guys, we are now in 60 plus countries, 450,000 global users, and 15 major language system supported. Also, we managed to have a total global presence of 1,800 plus offices worldwide. Okay? And then this is the BOT Chain Global Consensus Summit. This is was held last April. So there are representatives from 45 countries and regions, 4,000 plus attendees, and 20 plus top tier speakers and guests with the global live stream views surpassing 200,000 plus. So this is some of the picture happened in April. Now, BOT moves fast, guys. It moves fast. The second BOT Chain Global Ecosystem Summit was held in June 27 in Bangkok, Thailand. Now, covering across 55 plus countries, 5,000 plus attendees, and 100 plus ecosystem projects participating, global live stream views exceeding 1 million plus. All right. Now, let's go for the product. So I presented to you the company. Okay. If you are listening very well, I'm pretty sure that you could not find a great company than BOT Chain and Caripac. You couldn't find a better CEO and owner. Okay. Now let's go to the product. Actually, the Caripac is the first flagship ecosystem of BOT Chain. So this is built on BOT Chain, the AI agent native layer 1. So to support large-scale user growth and ecosystem development worldwide. And also this is designed for long-term ecosystem growth, global expansion, and mass adoption. Now, this is the carry pack economic model. So the total supply is 210 million CA. Now, the allocation on this is 10 million CA are available now for our swap liquidity pool. 200 million CA is also is only accessible to the mining output. So we have a fixed daily output of 40,000 CA and a 10% reduction every 2 years. Now, congratulate yourself, guys, because if you are now join in Caripac next 2 years, okay, there are gonna be a 10% reduction, meaning they're gonna release only 36,000. So now actually you are earning a lot of CA today than in the next 2 years. Now the output is the 40,000 CA will be released to the 42% or computing power mining, 18% POS output, 35% active reward pool, 3% goes to DAO, and 2% goes to foundation. Now, our product is so simple. Okay. That's why in the 5 checklist, is your product is really solving a problem in the world? Okay. Now let me go on to our product. So our product is very simple. We have these two types of product. Number one is the computing power driven. Now in this computing power driven, you could actually purchase a minimum to start of 100 USDT. Now, when you purchase that 100 USDT, okay, now you're gonna have your personal hash rate, meaning you're gonna have a hash rate equivalent, okay, equivalent to the days since launch, meaning you could actually get a lot of hash rate than those people who buy or bought those hash rate last 3 months ago, last 4 months ago. So our first product is this computing power driven. Now, when you are ready, you buy 100 USDT every single day for the next 22 years. Guys, for the next 22 years, you're gonna get your daily CA. Okay, so how much CA are you gonna get? Actually, you could actually compute it. How do you compute it? Your personal hash rate divided by the total network hash rate multiply by 16,800 CA. That's gonna be your personal output or daily output of CA. Now, this product could actually help people to get CA in the beginning stage or in the early stage, meaning every single day you're gonna get CA without even selling, without even recruiting, or without even doing anything. It's like every single day you're gonna get CA for the next 22 years. So I think that's one of the best product I've seen. Okay. The second product, guys, is called staking driven. Now, in this staking driven, what the simplest form here is you will buy CA, okay? You will actually buy CA, and when you buy those CA, of course, there's a minimum 5 CA. You could actually put it on our staking program. So, for example, you choose the daily yield or flexible. It has a daily yield of 0.15% to 0.3%. 30 days, whatever the daily yield, multiply it by 1.3, that's gonna be your daily income or daily profit every single day. Up to 360 days or flexible times 2.5. Now, in this model also, you will also earning a participation on the 7,200 CA release daily through proof of stake. Now, the different about the mining and staking, so the staking is automatically daily compounding your CA, meaning your principal plus interest are daily compounding every single day. Okay, so also we're gonna have an example of that. For example, you have a $10,000 or 10,000 USDT worth of CA. Now, in this example, the reference data is $33. Daily token base yield is zero point 0.2 and average daily price growth is 0.2%. But actually, guys, if you want to stake, better do it now. Why? Because the price of CA right now, it's so low, $28 dollars right now. You could actually get a lot of CA to stake. Okay, then this example. Now, in this example, let's just say it's a $33 per CA. Now, if you put it on a flexible staking, approximately after 1 year, your 10,000 USDT will be around 42,062 USDT. Now, why so high, Alfred? It's because we are doing the automatic daily compounding. Now, 30 days is 52,000. Now let's go to the 360 days that a lot of people are doing this. So 10,000 USDT, if you put it on the 360 days, after 1 year, it will be around 123,394 USDT. So the conclusion here, guys, is the longer the staking period, the more significant the compound growth effect. So that's the two products of our carry pack. So number one is the mining. If you love mining crypto, you are welcome. Why? Because in next 22 years, you're gonna mine CA every single day. Now, if you want to have a short-term income, okay, go to the staking. Okay, why? Put it on 360 days. 10,000 USDT will be around 12x after 1 year. Okay, now, okay, so 12.34x. Now, let's go to the compensation plan. Now, as I said, welcome to our BOM. This is a business opportunity meeting. Now, if you want to build a business, a lucrative business without the high capital cost, you are welcome to join Caripac. So guys, before I start, this is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? But if you want to use the leverage principle, you are also welcome to Caripac. Now, in this compensation plan, this is so simple that everybody can do it. Why? We have a great product. As I told you have a great product to market. So what is the product? Number one is the computing power mining. Second is the staking. That's it. People will love the returns on that, on those two products. Now, when you promote this, for example, you started to promote this. Now, in the VIP computing power promotion reward, you should have become V1. But before we go to the V1, let's go to the team reward and how many CA you could actually earn in this compensation plan. Now, we have a 35% CA release also every single day in this compensation plan. Total of 14,000 CA. Now, in team reward, this is a 7,000 CA. Your personal sub-community hash rate divided by the total global sub-community hash rate times 7,000, you're gonna get your CA every single day. Now, in order to do that, okay, as I said, this is a business. The lowest capital that you should have if you want to partake on this wonderful opportunity, wonderful business, you must have a $300 minimum investment. It's up to you where do you gonna put it. You could put it on the mining or you could put it on the $360 360 days staking. Now that's the first qualification. Second qualification is you start to promote events, promote online Zooms, do offline meetings, do table talks. Now, when you hit a 3,000 small leg performance, which you could actually check your activities or your growth in the Caripac app, you're gonna become V0. And the good thing about this is also this is a never exited, meaning you could actually enjoy this also for the next 22 years. Now, the uniqueness of Caripac, aside from the other MLMs out there, your sales are actually accumulated every single day, meaning there are no flash out. What you build or what you close last week will be added to the day you close again a client. Now, in doing this, okay, in doing this, for example, you hit that V0 and you are enjoying the V0 um, bonus every single day. There's also a VIP level rewards. So meaning it's like you're doing the exact same thing, promote, promote, promote. Then once you hit your sub-community effective volume of 10,000 USD, you should add another 200 USD based on what product do you want. So for me, example, I want to put my investment on the mining, okay? Because I love the 22 years. Because I'm just young, okay? I'm only 36 years old. Okay. Now when you hit that personal volume 500 USD and sub-community effective volume, you're gonna become a V1. Now, this VIP level rewards has another bonus of 7,000 CA. Now, if you hit V1, you could actually earn like 15 to $25 every single day worth of CA. Okay. V2, same as I told you, it's all accumulated. and up to V10. Now, in less than 4 months, there are two people hit V8 now. And the V8 earnings is like $30,000 every single day. My goodness. I haven't seen a company that compensate their leaders every single day. Now, in this VIP level rewards, there are rankings, right? V1 to V10. Let's go to the VIP Computing Power Promotion Reward. Now, in the VIP Power Promotion Reward, when you close a person and he buys a mining machine or supercomputing mining hash rate power, you could actually get a 6% to 30% bonus again for that reward. So for example, you sponsor me, you are a V1 and I buy like $1,000 worth of hash rate, you could actually earn $60 extra bonus. Okay? So this is a lifelong career, guys. This is a lifelong career. Meaning you could actually build a career in doing this and also change your life for a better. I haven't seen a complan that I haven't seen a product and a complan that helps people financially. Okay? This is the first. And as I said, this is gonna be good for the next 22 years. Now, also we have this attraction active staking rewards. So people now are now doing the 360 days staking. Now let's go here, the scenario assumption here. Let's just say you are just a V2. Okay, let's go back. What is a V2? A V2 is you have a $1,000 personal volume and a sub-community effective volume of 30,000 USD. That's so easy. Now you become V2, but your team keep growing and growing and growing. Let's just say in this example, they are staking a million CA. Now, let's assume they all put into the 360 days staking. Now, the team daily total revenue is 5,000 CA divided to all the people you promoted. Now, as a leader, because you are the one who promoted, you're gonna get a 10% of their profit every single day. That's 500 CA. Now, guys, is 16,500 every single day is good enough for you? Let me ask you again that question. Is 16,500 can get your dreams, can help your family? Yes. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a lifelong career that could change our life for a better. Imagine in 1 month, that's 495,000 USDT every single month. And we are just a 4-month-old company. So we have an exponential growth that we could share this to our loved ones, to our friends, to our neighbors, people needing financially aid, people looking for part-time, people looking for long-time career. This is it. This is it. Okay? And also we have a multi-party win-win ecosystem. Now, if you're an investor, you have a dual income opportunities. As I said, your 10,000 will become 123,000. For community promoters like me, and if you want to become a community promoters, you could also do that because we have a sustainable pipeline income. Imagine, in the Philippines, I'm living in the Philippines. Me, it's like if I earn $1,000 every single day, that's gonna be good for here. And for project development, is you have a sustainable economic model, we have a strong infrastructure foundation, and a Web3 computing leadership. So the growth logic about this, guys, behind CA and BOT, Now, um, let's go back what happening in the market right now. So BTC are like going down, and 99% of altcoins are going down also. So it's normal for all cryptocurrency are to go down. Now, it's because also a bear market. We are in a bear market, guys. Now, the problem is when it happens on the bull run, why there are some altcoins going shoot up 1,000x, 2,000x, 10,000x. Now, let's go why BOT and CA will be also doing that when it goes bull run market. Number one, both of these has a buyback and permanent burn deflation. In CA, we have a 10% buyback, and BOT, we have a 50% of gas fees used to buy back and permanently burn their tokens. So this is a unique deflationary model. This is only the first time in cryptocurrency that every single day they are burning their tokens. Second, CA fixed daily emission with 10% reduction every 2 years. It's not all available, okay? So as I told you, it will be fully released after 22 years. Now in BOT, we have a strong supply control mechanism fully released over 25 years. Now, let's go to the CA, staking sector. People we are loving staking 360 days. Why? Because if the people stake, there's gonna be a low circulating supply, meaning the price will highly appreciate in the long term. Now in BOT, as I told you, we are building ecosystem application. We have now 700 plus. CA is we are doing this private traffic growth through community consensus. Now, if you want to build this business, it's so easy. Every single day, Monday to Sunday, we have a BOM every 9 p.m. You could actually invite them. If they are not available on Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday. Guys, this is so easy. Now, in BOT, public traffic expansion through KOLs and mainstream media exposure. Now, also, we have this six core competitive moats. This is the first time. Number one, the public chain plus ecosystem, dual synergy, working hip to hip, side by side. This is the first time happen in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, let me tell you about some story. There are some companies out there um, portraying that they're gonna be the best cryptocurrency. But when you look at it, sometimes they are just a blockchain, public chain, or sometimes they're just an ecosystem. Now, because if you don't own these two, the public chain and ecosystem, it will be so hard enough for you to make it successful in the cryptocurrency era. Now, in BOT chain and Caripac, this is the first time that this ecosystem and public chain work side by side. So, second is the global community consensus network. As I told you, we have a lot of offline meetings, events, online Zooms happening every single day. The innovative economic mode or model. Guys, this is a sustainable token incentive structure. So imagine doing this for the next 5 years, for the next 6 years. Then you hit V8, V9, V10, and you're gonna be awarded by 30,000 USD every single day. I haven't seen a comp plan like this. And also the systemized organizational capabilities. We have 16 departments focusing on each: marketing, back office, customer support, handling. Wow. International leadership and strategic IP empowerment. We are backed by experienced global leaders. Last week, there are a boot camp for all V5 in Da Nang, Vietnam. And six, of course, the global educational infrastructure. If you want to become an M1000, if you really want to learn the in and out of this wonderful opportunity, you could actually apply to our free education. Okay? Now, the conclusion here, the public chains empower ecosystems. Ecosystem generate traffic, and traffic fuels the public chain. Now, let me rephrase it. BOT empowers carry pack. Carry pack generate traffic. Traffic fuels BOT. So this is the perfect flywheel effect. Drive simultaneous ecosystem growth and value expansion. All right. So we are finished with our presentation. Before we finish, thank you guys for attending this wonderful presentation, and thank you for taking your time. I know